Hi everybody, this is Alex at seekoptics.com. Today I'll be showing you how to replace lenses in the Ray-Ban model number RB2132, also known as the new Wayfarer. What you do is you open up the temples, flip the frame around. With one hand, go ahead and hold on to the frame like this. With your thumbs, push on the inside nasal corner until you hear a pop, and just push the lens out. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So with your thumbs, go ahead and hold on the inside nasal corner, push forward, and it'll come right out. Sometimes it might require a little bit of force, and what I recommend is using a blow dryer to heat up the frame. Just be careful not to get it too hot, because you might be burning the frame, or you can also burn your hands. In order to avoid that, go ahead and use a towel. Now let's go ahead and put some new seekoptics.com lenses into this frame. The way you do that is you grab the lens, insert one corner into the frame, insert the second corner into the other side, and with your thumbs just guide along until you hear a pop and the lens will come right in. Let's do the other side. So go ahead and put one corner of the lens in, put the second corner of the lens in, and with your thumbs just guide along until you hear a pop, just like that, and you are all done. And that is how you replace the lenses in your Ray-Ban new Wayfarers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit seekoptics.com.